are about to be digitized into the world of Tron. For your safety in this world, all users should be in good health. You should be free from...
What's going to happen is this window's going to clear, and when it clears, you'll see the red like you're in it. It's really cool.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
So cool. So cool. So we're in Tron, in the ride, letting you folks see the inside of the line and everything. So neat. You know, really, really cool. There we go.
Modified light cycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are assigned the bar vehicle, you must walk behind the light cycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off and secure them in the storage area between the handlebar. To synchronize with your light cycle, kneel.
Okay, which one do you want? That one?
Yeah. Got it?
Yep. Okay. So we're putting our stuff in. And you can see those lockers are huge.
Gotta scan it.
Okay, and then let's scan it again.
Oh no, it's dark. It stays dark.
Okay.
Yep.
163.
Oh my god.
There they go. There you go. This is so cool. The way they did this was amazing.
That's two rides we got to do.
I know. Really, two rides. Huh? Yes, I am. I'm very excited.